Imagine a world where building muscle and maintaining peak physical fitness does not depend on animal-based proteins. A world where one can sustain a rigorous 2-hour gym workout and still have energy left for the day, all while following a vegan diet. This isn't a utopian dream, it is a reality lived by many athletes and fitness enthusiasts worldwide. A reality that breaks the chains of common misconceptions around veganism and fitness. One might wonder, can vegans get enough protein? Or can a vegan diet sustain high-energy workouts? The answer is a resounding yes. A number of prominent athletes and fitness gurus are living proof of this truth. Take, for instance, the story of Patrick Baboumian, a strongman competitor and record holder who switched to a vegan diet in 2011. Not only did he continue to compete, but he also set personal and world records, all while following a strict vegan diet. His story is a testament to the fact that a vegan diet can indeed support muscle growth and high-intensity workouts. Or consider Fiona Oakes, a marathon runner who holds 4 world records. She has been vegan since her teenage years and has run numerous marathons, debunking the myth that vegans lack the energy to sustain long, strenuous activities. The truth is, a vegan diet can provide all the necessary nutrients and proteins that the body needs. It's all about broadening one's food horizons and incorporating a variety of plant-based foods. Quinoa, lentils, tofu, and a vast array of fruits and vegetables can provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins needed for optimal physical health and performance. What about the mental aspect, you may ask? Well, research has shown that a balanced plant-based diet can support cognitive functions and mental well-being. A vegan diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, is high in nutrients that are essential for brain health, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. In conclusion, a vegan lifestyle is not just about abstaining from the use of animal products. It's about embracing a healthier, more sustainable way of living that's beneficial for both the individual and the planet. It's about proving that strength, endurance, and peak physical fitness are achievable on a plant-based diet. Remember, it's not about lab-manufactured supplements or energy shakes. It's about real, wholesome, plant-based foods that fuel the body and the mind. It's about breaking free from the myths and misconceptions and embracing the truth. It's about being a vegan warrior. Welcome to this new and amazing world of vegan warriors, where fitness and veganism coexist, breaking barriers, setting records, and changing the world one meal at a time.